Hello and welcome to my kitchen. If you are a new visitor to my channel, do consider subscribing for awesome and easy recipes. Attractive, aren't they? These layered jelly mousse cups are super simple to make and are perfect to churn up at short notice. Use any flavor of jelly that you fancy. There are no rules here. The main ingredients for this recipe are any flavored jelly crystals of your choice, some sweetened whipped cream and water. I'm also using black grapes and pomegranate seeds for decoration. You can use any other fruit that you like. To set the dessert, you could use any of these. A squat glass or a fancy cup or even a small bowl. It's really up to you how you want to present it. I have here some boiling water and I'll put the jelly crystals into the water. I'm cooking it as per the instructions given on the packet. Add 1/3 less water than mentioned on the packet. I think the crystals have dissolved in the water, so I'll just turn off the heat. I'll add in half of the jelly mix that I just prepared into a large bowl and reserve the rest. So I'll just set it aside and let it cool down. The jelly has been cooling for some time and it has started to thicken already. I'll just let it cool a bit longer before moving on. The jelly has thickened slightly even though it's warm. So I'm just preparing the base of my cups. I'll do one in a bowl. Once these are done, set them in the fridge for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just give it a quick mix. It is thickened well. Use the whisk to break up the bigger lumps. Add in the whipped cream and just fold it in. Don't bother about the specks of jelly that you can see here. They'll only add to the character of the dessert. That looks good. I've taken the cups out of the fridge and I'll just use a ladle to fill in the mousse. Time to set them in the fridge for at least 1 hour. I'm using a piping bag fitted with a star nozzle for decoration. You could do without the star nozzle and the piping bag and use the plastic bag instead. Fill it with some whipped cream. And that's ready. I've cut the grapes in half for decoration. The mousse has set firmly and nicely. Let's start decorating them. You could do any pattern you want on top. I'll just start with the star pattern. That looks really pretty. And since these are little cups, I'm using a small nozzle. Once they are done, decorate with some fruit on top. If you like the recipe, do click the like button and share it with your friends. The jelly mousse cups are ready. Refrigerate till it's time to serve. Always serve them chilled.